This is the M&M challenge. Check this out. Watch. Just like that. The M&M challenge. Hey frugal people, my name is Andre Jick and welcome to my Money Monday series where I teach you how to take control of your finances and of course your life. Now over the last 5 years, I was able to save and invest and create a 6-figure portfolio that pays me money every single month to do nothing. Nothing at all. And it's the coolest feeling in the world, and I want to be able to share that feeling with everyone. But I also know that not everyone has the time or the skills to be able to analyze the crazy stock market that people think is really tough. It's not. It's actually really easy, and the hardest part is getting down that emotional kind of roller coaster that is investing. And so this is what this series is all about, because every single Monday I'm going to be releasing a video that's kind of largely highlighting the more interesting parts of my week, and then somewhere I'm just gonna pepper a cool little bit where I actually get to buy the stock using the Robinhood app, which if you don't know how to use it, there should be a link somewhere above my head that tells you exactly how to use the Robinhood app to get you started. You're gonna see it, you're gonna be able to copy it, where you can stop working for money and have your money work for you. It's gonna be awesome. Let's check it out. Okay, so before I reveal what the stock is, I was actually invited to go to Russia in St. Petersburg, where a bunch of us nerds get together and we talk about shuffling cards for a living. It's the craziest thing ever, and also tonight we were invited to go see the Opium show at the Cosmopolitan in Las Vegas. It's gonna be fun, I'm excited to see it, but my house is a mess, it's stressing me out. Like, you have to see, look, there's playing cards in my closet. I don't know why there's playing cards in my closet, because I never do cardistry in the closet. There's cards on the floor, there's cards everywhere. There's cards here. These are actually Jerry's Nuggets, which are worth a couple $100s a piece. Cards on the bed, and this, of course, I'm sure I have cards in the bathroom. Okay, I do, but that actually makes more sense because I do cardistry in the bathroom. Get it? Yeah, it's ridiculous. What's up? You just like peeked in here.
What's up? What are you about to do?
Just recording. I'm packing to Russia, so I'm gonna book my flight probably either on Sunday or Monday. Because we're gonna go see Opium.
Oh, again?
Yeah.
I gotta go record this video.
Where are you going?
Do this barber product thing.
Good talk.
Good talk. You too. Out now. Wipe up.
All right. All right.
Opium.
Somebody's drunk. Showtime.
On behalf of the crew of the Starship OPM-73, welcome to space, mother.
And I can't show you the rest of the show because it's crazy raunchy, but it's amazing. If you ever find yourself in Vegas, Opium is the show to go see. This is not a paid plug, but definitely go see it. Okay, so if you followed the video this far, you saw me hit buy on the BTI stock. BTI was actually founded in 1997, and at the time of purchasing, it's nearing 6% in dividend yield, which is extraordinarily high. It's exactly what you want. You want to be nearing 4% of your portfolio, but 6% for this company is still a healthy pace, and over the last 5 years, it's been down, so it's a great time to buy based on the analysis and the research that I've done. So should you choose to accept this mission, your money or your life, the rest is up to you. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this information useful, hit the like button. If you fell in love with it, hit the subscribe button. And if you hated me, then hit the dislike button twice. I know I'm not the first person to have said that on YouTube. And now I'm legally obligated to tell you that I'm not a financial advisor or a licensed professional of any sort. So before you listen to me, just disregard all advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. It is what it is.